What's up, guys? It's your girl, Sin Marie, and I'm back with another video. Hope you guys have been doing great, staying safe. But by the thumbnail, you already know what we're getting ready to talk about. We're getting ready to talk about that 3 Ballerina tea, baby. Okay, so let me give you a little bit of background about the tea. Okay, so when I was younger, my mama used to buy the tea. Me and my sister used to drink it. We just wanted to drink because my mama was drinking it. So we was drinking the tea, and it made us cramp really, really bad. So me and my sister, we were like, no, boo, we not, no, we done with the tea. So fast forward to 2020, I'm in the hair store getting my daughter some barrettes and things like that. And I look up and I see the tea. I'm sorry, y'all can't see it. The tea, y'all. I see the tea. I said, oh my God, I have not seen that tea in years. So I was like, okay, let me get a box. So I grab a box because you know I'm working on losing weight or whatever. It's a tea. It's a detox tea. So I'm like, okay. So I get the tea. I get home. I'm super duper excited. I go ahead. I open the box. And when my mom used to get the tea years ago, it was like literally a tea bag. You open it up, it had like the little string with the little tab on it. You dip it in the tea, in the water, and you drink the tea. But now it's like this. It comes like this. I'm sorry if y'all can't see. Okay. It comes like individual. It comes individual. It comes together, but it's really like individual. So I'm like, okay. So I'm so excited. I go boil my water. I put the tea in there, whatever. I let it get real good and high. And so I drink it, right? And so at first I was like, okay, I'm waiting for like the excruciating pain, y'all, because years ago it was like balled up on the floor like never again type tea. So I'm waiting. I'm like, it don't feel like it did when I was younger. So I'm like, okay, maybe it'll come a little later, whatever. I felt a little cramping, but there was no BM. So a little bit time went on, and then I started feeling more cramping, and I could actually hear like a noise like in my stomach. It sounded like a growling, but it wasn't. I wasn't hungry, so I already know what it was. It was breaking it up. It was activating. It was working. So I'm laying down, and then I get like this urge to go really quick. So I go in the bathroom, y'all. TMI, so I ain't gonna do all that, but y'all, the tea really, really works, y'all. It really, really works. You will go to the bathroom. You will feel like you took a load off, and you would just feel a little bit better in life. Okay, so I've been on the tea for about a week now, and I have lost about 5 pounds off the tea. My stomach has even went down a little bit. The tea really works. And actually, like after I took the tea, I went and did reviews on the tea, which was backwards. I took the tea, then did the reviews. But the only reason why is because I had the tea back in the day when I was younger. My mama used to have it, so I just went ahead and took the tea. But I did reviews on it. People were saying, you know, the bowel movements, the cramping. The cramping was not as bad as it was back then. I will say that again and again. It wasn't as bad as like then, but it was bad. Okay, yeah, so now I want to get into like the best time for me to take the tea, if you guys want to know. The best time for me is at nighttime. It's best for me at night. I will say that. And the reason I say that is because you will go to the bathroom and it comes when it wanna come. Ain't no I'm holding this. No, you gonna have to go, and you need to be able to go when you need to go. Okay? So you won't have any accidents, because when it say it's ready, baby, it's ready. So if you work Monday through Friday, I suggest you take the tea. You could do it Friday night if you have anything to do Saturday. Or, you know, Saturday is really a good time for Sunday. Take it on the weekend. Take it when you ain't got anything to do. Okay? Make sure you don't have anything to do. Okay? Make sure ain't nobody finna call you, your homegirl, your sister. Nobody gonna call you and be like, girl, let's go. Because you're not gonna be able to go. I'm telling you now, you're going to be at home confined to the toilet. The toilet will be your best friend, your company for the weekend. It will be your company. So take it when you have time to go to the bathroom, because going out, drink the tea and going out, you're not going to be able to do that. So, but see, right now, since all this is going on, I work from home, so I'm able to wake up in the morning. I drink my tea in the morning, and I go to the bathroom. I feel refreshed or whatever, and I just drink the tea, and then I'll drink it again at night before I go to bed. After I eat everything, and I'll drink it at night, and it works. And we wake up in the morning, you're ready. You know what I'm saying? It's working during the night. And I will say this: drink a lot of water, because with any detox, with any tea, with anything like that, when you're detoxing your body, you're taking good and bad out. Most of the times it's bad, but sometimes it may be some good stuff you letting go too, and you definitely letting water out. When your stool is loose, you're letting out water. So drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. I drink water all throughout the day, and I don't drink my tea in the morning and night, but I drink water throughout the day, because you're gonna need that water. And it also helps to me. It's probably me, but I feel like the water is really helping it flush through. So I drink the water. But yeah, since I'm home, I'm able to drink my tea in the morning. I'm able to drink my tea at night, because I'm home. I'm not going anywhere. I have my kids here, so I'm working from home, so I'm able to do that. I repeat, ladies, I'm telling you the truth. Do not drink the tea if you got plans, and make sure ain't nobody gonna call you and be like, let's go out, because baby, you're gonna be like, I'm gonna have to do a rain check, baby, because I done took this 3 Ballerina tea, and she do not play, baby. She is here for me. She is here for me, baby. But yeah, guys, I did lose 5 pounds in a week. Let me tell y'all what I did last night. Craziness, y'all. Okay, so the tea comes. Let me show you. Y'all, why, y'all? So the tea comes two on here, right? Oh, there you go. 2 on here. How about your girl broke in half and put both in the tea? And I put a little bit of water, because I wanted to see what it really can do. Don't try this at home. This is what I did. I'm gonna tell you, don't do it. But I put both of these tea bags in a little bit. I would say about 6 ounces of water. Y'all know that's like really small. Put it in the microwave. I put it in there for like 3 minutes. When I took it out, it's normally like a light brown color, well, like the color of regular tea. If you put 1 pack in there with a lot of water, baby. It was so dark when I took it out, y'all. Like black coffee dark. I'm like, so I drank it real fast, and let me tell y'all, that tea works fast when you do too. It cramp different. You go to the bathroom different, like literally like my 4th time today. TMI, but I'm keeping it real. My 4th time today. When I put 2 tea bags in there, it seemed like every time I either drink something, I have to go. Like, girl, why'd you do 2? But I had to see what she was really working with. You know what I'm saying? I had to see what she was really working with, baby. And she worked. She don't play, baby. She is here. Okay? She is all the way here. Okay, guys, so as y'all know, I've been working on my weight loss journey. I have been working, I'm going to be honest, I have been working as hard as I initially started. I have not been working as hard as I did. I still drink my water. I'm on my detox tea. I've been on it for a week, lost 5 pounds, and I'm working towards my next week to lose 5 more pounds. It really don't tell you how to drink the tea, so I drink it every day, twice a day, which is probably too much, but that's just what I do, because I'm trying to get the most out of the experience. But I mean, if you gotta drink it on weekends only because of your situation and how your life is set up, it still should work the same way. You know what I'm saying? It may take a little bit longer because I'm like basically abusing it, which I don't want to call it that, but because I don't know if drinking it every day is bad or not. So I need to talk to my doctor and see if it's good or bad. But I've been on it every day for a week. So I might next week I may do it. Next week I may do every day, but one time a day. Yeah. So now I'm gonna show you how I look now, and then what I'll do is next week I'll show y'all how I look next week, and hopefully it's the difference because I'm depending on the difference. Anyway, y'all, let me show y'all. Okay, guys, this is a week with the tea. This is how it is from a week with the tea, guys. I really have lost a little bit. I gotta get rid of this part, but I got this. If you watch my last videos with Keisha KR, my Keisha KR waist trainer review and things like that, I have a pooch and I still have a pooch, but it's slowly going down, like y'all. It's like going down with the Keisha KR thing. On top of this tea, I'm gonna be bad, super bad. You see, it's working. I must say, you know, I'm a thick girl, and I embrace that. I mean, but I still want to get my waist a little snatched in. I want to get my stomach down, because, you know, I was pregnant 5 times. I gave birth 5 times, but my baby passed away, as in the last couple of videos you have heard that. But so I have 4 living kids, and baby, my last baby put it all the weight on me, and then my boyfriend spoils me so much till I don't have to really do much, and I became lazy and I gained all this weight, and I'm like, you're the reason that I gained this weight. So love it. But yeah, I mean, I love myself, and you know, self-love is the best love to have. And I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Hope I gave y'all some good information. If I left anything out that you want to know about it, let me know, because y'all, I just be rambling on, and I did not write anything down today. You know, I normally do because I be forgetting, but I didn't today. Freestyle. So guys, stay safe. Drink your tea. Don't overdo your tea though. Drink your tea, baby. And we're gonna do this thing together. Until next time, I love you guys. See, Marie is out. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to say y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the fam. You know what's up with the baddies.